Hi Beshies! Hello everyone! CatCat Vlogs here of TPY Creator Hub. For today's video ay may nakita nga kaming bagong restaurant located yan dito sa may Tawar Mall. Ang The Aviator Lounge. Kakaibang coffee shop nga ito or restaurant. Napadaan nga kami dito, sabi namin, tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Tamang-tama ay katatapos nga namin kumain ng dinner. Kaya naman ay naisipan namin mag-tsaa. And then, exactly, tamang-tama, napakasarap nga nitong kanilang eclair. Nag-order nga ako ng chocolate and vanilla eclair. Syempre, nag-order din kami ni B ng paborito namin na green tea. Nirequest ko nga yan kay ate na wag masyadong tamisan or wag masyadong madami ang feelings. Dahil nga ayaw namin ng matamis. Tapos nagustuhan din namin ang lasa ng kanilang tsaa, mga beshies. Sobrang sarap pala. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung anong brand ng sinerve nila na tea. Hindi ko na natanong kay ate. And then may kasama na yung biscuit on side. Hanap nyo ba ay different and cozy experience of coffee shop or restaurant? Arat na mga beshi! Come and visit the Aviator Lounge located yan dito. Walang iba sa Tawar Mall. Open nga sila daily. Syempre, mall hours. From 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. during weekdays and then open sila till 11 p.m. during weekends. Then I ordered green tea. It's really good with the cookies on side. So if you will gonna order only green tea, they will gonna give you free cookies. Perfect. They also offer one-of-a-kind opportunity to experience the thrill of flying a real aircraft. Wow!
This one we have 20 minutes, 150 riyal.
150 for
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes, 250 riyal. 1 hour, 350 riyal.
250, 30 minutes. And?
1 hour, 350.
1 hour, 350. Okay.
It's a real, fully functional cockpit.
Yeah, fully functional. It's like real, right?
Yeah, it's like real. We have overhead panel. Autopilot panels and like computers, everything.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more. Okay, bye.